Hey guys, Jared Wesley of Live Traders back again for another trade review. Guys, I've been doing these videos a lot recently because I want you to see what real trading looks like, what genuine trading looks like, what slippage looks like, what real fills look like, okay? I'm just getting really tired of the bullshit in this industry. There's not a chat room I can go into. There's not a website I can read that I feel good about. Everywhere I go, somebody's shilling something that's completely untrue, like turning $500 into $100,000 in 30 days, or turning $50,000 into $5 million in a year and a half. It's utter, absolute horseshit, okay? What you're seeing here on my screen is real trading. In the last few days, I've recorded the market open, full 30 minutes of video from 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. so you can actually see what happens, the actual emotions that I go through, emotions that you'll go through. Okay, now today I didn't record the open, but I will go over the trades I took. Okay, I took 3 trades today, 2 on NTES and 1 on AIG. And you'll see on the screen in front of you guys, I always put a gap list together in the morning, and then 5 or 6 minutes before the market opens, I take that 10 or 15 stock list and I dwindle it down to my top 5 favorites. Today I had 6. It's very, very rare that I don't trade something on my favorites list. And I want to be clear about something else today too, guys. I made $3.09 today, okay? And I'll show you there at the bottom of the screen. Let's take a quick look so I can get it over with, okay? $3.09, we can all see it at the bottom of the screen, $3.09, okay? Now, I should have done a lot better than that, okay? I'm risking $200 right now, and I've been telling you guys, I'm showing you how to risk $50 and make money, risk $100 and make money, risk $200 and make money. Next month, it'll be $300, the month after $400, and then $500, and then $600. Subsequently, every month, I'm gonna go up $100 to prove a point to you guys that it's not, okay, the amount of money in your account. It's the types of trades you take and how you manage them is what will determine whether or not you're a successful trader, okay? Going back to my original point though, guys, I messed up today. And it wasn't management or this or that. I lost a little bit of my focus and I missed 2, okay, of my top favorite ideas. Now remember, I only put 5 on the list and I missed 2 of them. That's missing 40% of your favorites, and that's unacceptable. And I'm going to talk about those in a couple minutes after I review AIG and then NTES, guys. I want you to see what real traders go through, not the bullshit you see where everybody gets perfect fills and they have 99% batting averages and they never lose. It's horseshit, guys. It's people trying to sell you on bullshit, okay, because they can't trade themselves, so they have to teach it. Sure, I make money teaching, but I make money trading. It's the best of both worlds. They only make money teaching, and it's sad and pathetic to watch. Just be honest with people. Just be honest with people, okay? I think they respect and appreciate that more. So let's dig into AIG and see what we got, guys. As you know, I always start with the daily chart. Always, always, always. We call it a top-down approach. 60-minute or daily, and then we drill down. So this gap up on AIG today, right? We're sitting right there. Yesterday's high was like 53.65, okay? So we had this beautiful consolidation, which is a resting period. And then today we get the gap up with room back to this pivot at 56.85. That line I'm drawing right there, that's the room we have to trade this stock. Okay, that's the room we had. So let's go down, okay, to a lower time frame chart. Now we're on a 5-minute chart. But what I want to do is I want to show you something that nobody else talks about. It's unique to live traders. It's unique to my trading. I'm not the only person in the world who does it. I'm the only person who talks about it, okay? Pre-market charts, okay? Pre-market charts. So you're going to see here, right around 54.50, okay, as high as 54.65 is what the pre-market high is, okay, with a low somewhere in the range of 54.38, guys. So I want you to take notice, all right? Take a look down here where it says favorite idea, AIG over 54.65, okay? I'm looking at the pre-market range to determine where I might be able to get in this thing early. If you don't look at pre-market charts, honestly, you can't get in at 931, 932, guys. I see way too many traders gunslinging out there with huge share size at 9:30 in the morning. They're just closing their eyes and hoping it's going to pop. Well, Flip a coin, it might pop. Flip a coin, it might drop. The difference is when it drops, you're going to take nasty slippage. You're going to lose 2 or 3 to 1. Right? If you were going to risk $200, you might lose $500, and that's unacceptable. So I have to look at the pre-market range to determine where I want to enter this thing early on. So in this case, I looked at that 54.65 range. Ultimately, we got in at roughly, what was it, 54.70, okay? But we had to stop right around that pre-market consolidation low. So now I'll take off the pre-market, and I'm going to go down to a 1-minute chart, okay? So we got this thing, all right, right on the 1-minute high, using the low of the day. Why? Because of the pre-market chart and the nice gap. This isn't nearly as aggressive as some people think it is, okay? So we got in on the 1-minute high with our stop at the 1-minute low. It popped about 1 to 1, okay? Now my job is to look for 1.5 to 1 to 2 to 1, okay? And came all the way up. So what we did was we raised our stop loss to break even, okay? And you'll see that, right? Break even stop loss. Now, what happened? This bottoming tail happened and it came back. My entry, guys, was 54.70. That bottoming tail, 54.69, okay? So it was unfortunate, guys, that we got caught there, 54.69. Came back up to the high and then eventually would have stopped out anyway, okay? So at the end of the day, this stock made me $8.94, actually less than that after fees. And it was unfortunate because we were up a couple $100 on this. I was risking about $200 and we were up about $200 and it came back. Guys, that's trading. That's professional trading. My rule says at 1 to 1, I go to break even. I followed my rule to the letter. To the letter of the law, I followed it. Went exactly 1 to 1. I went to break even. Shit happens. There's nothing you can do about that. And you know what? It's okay. So we gather our thoughts, we gather our head back, and we move on. Okay, so I moved on to NTES. First, let's take a look at the daily because we always do. So we have a stock that's gapping down under a bottoming tail and under a pivot. See where my cursor is, okay? I'll draw that line right there, right here, okay? Right there. We gap under that area with room down to about 243.50. Okay, so we're opening in the 250 range, okay, 252 range, but we have about $8 or $9. Perfect, right? We're in a downtrending stock with lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows, and then we get this gap down today. It's beautiful. So now our goal is to look for an entry pattern on NTES. So if we go down to a 1 or a 2 minute chart, okay, let's go back over here. Wow, look at that beautiful consolidation, right? Let's move it over just a little more. Right? So we get the green bar to start the day, and then a red bar engulfs it, and then consolidation, consolidation, ooh, topping tail, consolidation, topping tail. That's what I want to see, guys. What's that line in the sand? 247.57. All right? Right there. See the line I'm drawing? 247.57. So I told the room, you can see it right here. I told the room, short NTES at 247.50 with a stop at 249.50. Perhaps I should have used a little bit of a wider stop because the high was 249.71. It went to 249.81. Okay, I want that to be important. It went to 249.81. Okay, and it stopped me out. So eventually, guys, it triggered quickly, right? And it went down to 246.30. All right. About $1.20, not quite 1R, right? At 1R, I would have lowered my stop, but it came back so quickly, I took a full stop. And what I want you to take notice of right here, guys, look at the fill. Netties, okay, right here, Netties, buy to cover, 249.50. It filled me 249.81. What was the high? To the penny, 249.81. Guys, you can't make that stuff up. That's real trading. That's reality trading. That's not bullshit trading. That's not what you're going to get everywhere else. Everywhere else, you're going to get bullshit trading. Yeah, guys, I got out at 249.49 right on the penny. No, you didn't. Look at the fill. And I only had 100 shares of this thing. Guys, it gave me 32 cent slippage. Guess what? Oh, well, that's part of trading. That's life. That's just part of trading, okay? All right, so I said to the room, I said, you know what, guys? This is a shakeout. Left a huge topping tail. So what do? We got right back in it. Got right back in it, okay? Right back in it. Sure enough, it dropped and continued lower, all right? So ultimately, after both trades were taken, I only made 7 cents on this stock, which was $13.65. Okay, so it wasn't a great trade, meaning the second trade, I did not manage it as well as I could have. All right, and you can see here with my orders, I got some out there at 245.23, 244.84, 244.70. I really should have been getting out about 244.00. Okay, that's where I really should have. I got a little bit nervous, a little bit jittery. What happened was it came down in here and started to consolidate, and I got a little nervous and I took a little bit off. I should have waited. See, went down to 244.50. I missed it, chopped around for about 3 minutes, and I thought this might be another AIG, another break-even trade. So when it popped down here, I took a little more off. I should have held some. My mistake. But we got our money back. So all in all, I made $3.09 today, but I'm not happy. In fact, I'm straight up pissed off. Why? Because one of the things I preach here at Live Traders is discipline, patience, and focus. Discipline, patience, and focus. I had discipline today. I had relative patience today, but I lost a little bit of focus. And let me show you why. Okay? BZUN was a stock that was on my favorites list today. Okay? One of my top favorite watches. You'll see it right there. BZUN. We're looking at that at $47.50 is what I wanted to trade it. Well, what do we get? Beautiful gap up. Consolidate, consolidate. Right there is the entry, guys. $48.15, $48.20. With a stop loss at $47.65. So you're looking at about a 50-cent stop loss. 50-cent stop loss. Okay? Boom. Blast off. Guys, I missed this by like 3 seconds. By the time I saw it, it had just triggered. That is all about focus. Why? It was on my favorites list. You cannot miss stocks on your favorites list. You can miss a stock on your gap list. You just can't miss a stock on your favorites list. Those are the elite, best of the best. I missed it, guys. Easy money. We would have been at our target in less than a minute. We needed about a 70-cent target. It went 80 cents in 1 minute. Done. Done. I can't express how pissed off I am that I missed this. Okay? And here's what's worse. One time, all right, shit happens. It's acceptable. I did it 2 times today. Are you ready? PLCE, another stock on my favorites list. Let's go to the 2-minute, guys. This is a textbook 3-bar play. Gap down, wide bar, narrow bar, boom. Guys, it's right out of this book. Okay, page 95, I believe. Let's see if I'm right. Page 95. Okay, see how well I know my book. Ah, look at that, guys. Page 95, 3-bar play. Can you see it right there? I know my book that well, guys. Page 95, 3-bar play. Wide bar, narrow bar, drop down. There it is. Okay? I read this book everywhere I go. I wrote the book, okay? I'm teaching it June 2nd and June 3rd. Be there if you want to learn from a real trader, a profitable trader, okay? Wide bar, narrow bar, drop. Guys, the entry on this was easy. It was $129.50. It was a $2 stop. We needed $3 for target. So I needed $126.50. Guys, it went to $123.50. Okay? 2-minute charts are 2, 4, 6, 8 minutes it would have been. I can't express to you how pissed off I am today about this. Why? Both of them were on my favorites list. You don't miss stocks on your favorites list. You just don't do it. PLCE under 132, I have it written in there. I'll show it to you. It's right in here. Put it on your screen, okay? Unbelievable. So I missed not 1, but 2. Today should have been probably a $600 day. I made $3.09, okay? This week so far, as a quick recap, it's Thursday, May 17th, okay? Quick recap. Monday, plus $51. Tuesday, minus $71. Yesterday, plus $533. Today, plus $3. So at the moment, I'm up about $500 for the week. Okay, it's about 2.5 to 1. Not great. My goal every week is to make about $1,000 at $200 risk. I'm looking for 5 to 1 on my money every week, 5 to 1. So if I'm risking $100, I want to make $500 that week. If I'm risking $200, I want to make $1,000 that week. If I'm risking $500, I want to make $2,500 that week. If I'm risking $1,000, I want to make $5,000 that week. If I'm risking $3,000, I want to make $15,000. 5 to 1 for the week is my goal. 1 a day, 1 a day, 1 a day, 1 a day. Okay, that's professional trading, guys. It's coming from a true professional. Somebody who's willing to show their account number, show their not only the trades they took, but the actual fills they got on it. Okay. Nobody else is willing to do that, guys. You know what you're seeing out there? You're seeing fake P&Ls from people, okay? They're hiding their stuff, guys. I know all the tricks to the trade. They're all hiding their stuff. So they're showing you a P&L, but there's no account number associated with it. You know why? Because it'll say SIM in front of it. Sim for simulator, because that's all they're trading out there is simulator. 99.9% of this business is trading simulator. I would be willing to put my children's life on it, okay? Put their lives on it. Most of this industry is trading simulator. You want to learn from the truth. You want to learn from the best. You learn from me, Jared Wesley at Live Traders. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this trade review on AIG, on NTES, and my conversation about focus. You have to focus in this business, guys. If you don't, you're just not going to make any money. Today was a prime example. I made $3 today, and I didn't focus. I should have made $500 or $600 today. Okay, I will be teaching professional trading strategies on June 2nd and June 3rd. It's about 2 weeks away, guys. It is 500 plus pages of information. It is about 18 hours, guys. You can ask me any and all questions. Like I'm on camera now. You'll be there live with me online to ask any and all questions you want, guys. And I'm going to be going over this course page by page. You're going to have an electronic manual to go with it. All right. It's going to be the best thing you've ever experienced if you want to learn from the truth. You learn from Jared Wesley at Live Traders. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you again tomorrow for another trade review.